Right then, welcome back to the channel. I have 578 subscribers. We lost one. We've lost one. I hope they stay for whoever they are. Today then, we're just out for a little bit of a trundle. So today I thought I'd talk to you about what I plan to do for the rest of the year. My goals really are quite simple, and it is just to keep plugging on with the YouTube vids, to be fair. Keep plugging on. I aim to get to a point when the weather warms up that I can put 2 videos out a week, but in the meantime I'm just going to focus on getting one out with like just consistently, I think, is the key for the time being. I've been sort of worrying about, not worrying, but not really focusing on the consistency, trying to work out other things, but it all comes part and parcel of it all, really. I'm learning as I go, and I feel now that I'm at a point where I should just focus on consistency. I'm enjoying the process of making them and talking when I'm riding about, and yeah, once a week, every Thursday evening I'll release a video, and we'll work from there, really. Hopefully my editing will get better as we learn as well, and yeah, I'll give you what we want, or what you want rather. Nice guy. I haven't been up here for yonks. When I first started riding enduro bikes, this is where I came, and I really struggled because of how bouncy it is and how loose the terrain is. You can't put down loads of power because you end up spinning out, and it's obviously the stones are quite jaggedy, and they just throw you from left to right, so you got to pick a decent line, maintain just a decent speed, and keep pushing, and you get to where you want to go. But it is a pain in the arse. As you can see, it is so bouncy, and yeah, I remember the first time I done it, I just got stuck and I ended up spinning the wheels, and I couldn't really do much else. So I got very tired very quickly. But yeah, it's quite cool. It's good to be in a position to see my progress, and that I can actually ride my bike now. But this is called the Rocky Road, as you can see, because it's covered in rocks. They're simple and effective. But it takes you to the top of the mountain near me, and it's bloody lovely. And I thought I'd just change it up, show you something different near me, instead of the same place I tend to go quite a lot. I think a lot of people expect enduro riders to be hitting the power band all the time, but it's not feasible in these environments, as you can see, as well as walkers. And you just have to behave yourself. Look at all this fly tipping. Proper scumbags, like. The funny thing is, like, that way, directly that way, is a tip. Absolute belters. Look at that view, like. Look at the view. So nice. And I say that's my valley. That's my valley. Not my valley, I wish it was my valley. But yeah, it's quite cool coming up here. So yeah, for the rest of the year then I'd like to just do more, really. Do more, you know, in regards of just getting out and about, but we gotta wait and see obviously what goes on. I got friends that I ride with from Hereford, one from Devon. We like to all meet up and get out and about. Obviously last time we met up I ended up getting thrown off the bike because I hadn't set my bike properly, so yeah, it'd be nice to ride properly with it. Right, ladies and gents, thanks very much for watching this one. It's a bit shorter than usual, but I do appreciate the views. Like I said, I'm going to keep plugging away. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you stay safe throughout this period, and I'll see you in the next one.